everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your RV detailing business. So if you are also running a RV detailing business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video we are going to design a chatbot that will help your customers inquire about services, make booking and get quote. So firstly in this video we are going to design a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for RV detailing business. So this chatbot will help your customers book services, view the services and help them contacting you. So this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload by providing you automation. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as test number. So now let's send a message hello here. Here as I'm sending the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ RV detailing experts. We help you keep your RV clean, shiny and road ready. Please choose an option below to get it started. And here we are getting three buttons, that is book a service, view our services and contact support. So now let's click on our first button, that is book a service. As I'm selecting book a service, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my city or the location. So now let's enter our location here. As I'm entering the location, now it is asking me to enter the preferred date. Here as I'm entering the date, now it is asking me to enter the services which I needed. Here as I'm entering the service, I am getting a confirmation message. Now let's enroll to our another button, that is view our services. As I'm selecting view our services, I am getting a message which consists of the services offered by this XYZ RV detailing expert. And here in this message note, we are getting a button also, that is book a service. Now let's enroll to a third button, that is contact support. As I'm selecting contact support, I am getting a message which consists of the phone number, email and store hours. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation integration platform. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button, we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that, you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. Now in this flow page, you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for RV detailing business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, here you can see it is asking me to enter the keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to choose template. So if you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now if the user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text plus button. By selecting text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a welcome message here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this sentence, that is welcome to XYZ RV detailing experts, between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add some buttons in this message node. For that, you can see we are getting the option for add button. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the text. So basically here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's create our first button here. Here you can see I have created my first button. Now I am going to create many more buttons likewise. So just click on add button and enter the text of your another buttons. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is view our services and contact support. Now if the user selects book a service, I am going to ask them some details of my customer. So for that, you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just click here and you will get the question node, and here you can enter the question you want to ask from your customer. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the city or the location of my customers. So now let's enter our question here. Here you can see I have entered this question. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to select contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom field. So just click here and you will get the contact custom field. Now let's select contact custom field as address here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers this question, I want to ask them another question. So again you have to click on ask question and you will get the question nodes. So now let's enter our another question here. Now let's connect these both question nodes with each other. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the preferred date. Now let's select contact custom field here, that is date, and the format I am going to select is date. And once you will select the format as date, it will ask you to enter the number. So here it is basically asking you to enter the number of attempt you want to provide to your customer. Now if the user answers this question, I am again going to ask another question, that is the type of service. So again I have to click on ask question. Here you can see I have entered the question asking for the type of services. Now let's select contact custom field as service type, and now I am going to select the format as any. Now if the user answers this question, I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So I have already told you that for entering a message, you just have to drag and drop and select text plus button here. Now let's enter our confirmation message here. Here you can see I have entered this confirmation message. Now let's enhance our second button, that is view our services. So I am going to provide the services in a message node. So for that, I am going to select text plus button, and here in this message node, I am going to provide the services offered by this XYZ RV detailing experts. Here I have entered these services. Now I am going to add a button in this message node, that is for book a service. Here you can see again I have created a button named as book a service. Now we can connect these both book a service button with each other as they are working are same. Now let's provide contact support option to our customer. For that, I am going to enter the contact detail in a message node. So just drag and drop and select text plus button. Now let's enter our contact details in this message node. Here you can see I have entered these contact details in this message node. Now here you can see we have successfully created a flow for our chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up, that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated replies, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox, and once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now in this particular number, you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point is to be noticed here, that this is following the path which we have created through a flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message. Now if the user selects book a service, we are going to ask them question regarding the location. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. features. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.